Hi everyone, today we're going to do a really quick unboxing video with the Fanvil i20s store phone. So I have it here in my hand, so let's have a look at the outside of the box. We have our model number, which is the Fanvil i20s, we have our serial number, and we have our MAC address information. Let's open it up and have a look inside. Remove the packaging, and we have got a quick installation guide, which is going to tell you how to get the unit set up and working for yourself. We have our mounting dimensions, that tells you how to mount it. We have some RFID cards. We have a mounting kit, including screws and a little Allen key there. And we have our i20s. So let's have a look at the i20s. So the i20s has a RFID reader, so you can use your prox cards. It's got a keypad, so you can dial PIN codes to get into buildings, etc. And it has a single press button for reception and calls, etc. And that is the Fanvil i20s.